I had the hiccups the other day. You want to know how many, like, different remedies people have for getting rid of hiccups? Do you want to know how many different remedies there are for getting rid of hiccups? Number 1, just hold your breath and count to 20. Okay, that didn't work for me yesterday. So I was sitting there hyperventilating, doing this thing for like 20 minutes, and it didn't work. I tried this remedy. You have the hiccups, and you press right here. You don't rub, you just press. There's this remedy. If anybody has heard of this remedy. Okay. What you do is you take a glass of water, okay? And you are upside down, and you drink the water upside down. So, none of these remedies worked. So my sister came back and she goes, T, I'll do the head thing for you. Trust me, it really, really works. Figures I had my hands in the wrong place. Instead of here, it's here. Finally, after 5 minutes, and I'm sitting here hiccuping away, they disappear. And that was pretty good. Like, I had been hiccuping for like 20 minutes. So maybe it wasn't the remedy. Maybe I was just getting over my hiccuping spell. But honestly, like, that worked. I'm telling you, next time I have the hiccups, I'll do that first. And if they go away, I'll know it's that. But anyway, I guess I'll talk to you guys later.